The Android Q preview just dropped, and some of the Pixel users have already jumped onto the Android Q bandwagon and are enjoying the latest features on it. Well, if you are an Android user who is not having a Pixel device, you may still be stuck on Android Pie and most probably Android Oreo. Yes, that's right, that's a problem with Android fragmentation. Most of the users probably are on Android Oreo or on older Android versions, while most of you are waiting, just hoping that you soon get the Android Pie upgrade. I'm one of you. I'm using the LG V30 and I'm still stuck on Android Oreo 8.0. And this is a major problem with Android devices. You just don't get fast Android upgrades. Who is to blame? Is it Google? Maybe, but most of all it is the Android manufacturers, the original manufacturers known as OEMs. Well, there might be some decent news for you guys because Android P beta program was opened up to few other manufacturers other than Google by obviously Google. So what we saw was that devices like Essential PH1, Nokia 7 Plus, OnePlus 6, Oppo R15 Pro, Sony Xperia XZ2, Vivo X21 and the Mi Mix 2S. These devices were able to get the Android P beta onto their devices. For the next version of Android, i.e. Android Q, Google is planning to collaborate with even more OEMs to include more devices in the roster for Android Q beta. This is a pretty good news for most of us. It seems like Google is gearing up to add 8 more OEMs, that is original manufacturers, to include them in the Android Q beta program. So why is that good news? Well, if you are onto the bandwagon of Android Q beta earlier, that means you will be getting the Android Q stable update pretty soon rather than later. And also, if you have itchy fingers, getting your hands on to the Android Q beta is pretty good for most of us. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about this video and which Android device are you having and you are on which Android upgrade. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.